Hi, you are welcome to Best Cars, where we bring you the latest reviews and recommendations on the best vehicles in the market. Our topic today is 10 amazing car gadgets you must have. Please click the like button, subscribe and click the bell button, so you will be notified anytime a new video drops. Car gadgets are electronic or mechanical devices that are designed to enhance the functionality or convenience of a car. These gadgets are usually aftermarket products that are not included as standard features in a car. Examples of car gadgets include dash cams, GPS trackers, Bluetooth car kits, portable jump starters, tire pressure monitors, USB car chargers, head-up displays, HUDs, car vacuum cleaners, blind spot mirrors, and seat organizers. These gadgets can improve the driving experience, increase safety, and provide additional features that may not be available in the car's original design. Here are some car gadgets that you may find useful. 1. Dash cam. A dashboard camera can record video of your driving and can provide valuable evidence in the event of an accident. 2. Bluetooth car kit. A Bluetooth car kit allows you to make hands-free calls and stream music from your smartphone to your car's stereo system. 3. Portable jump starter. This gadget can jumpstart your car battery without needing another car or a power outlet. 4. GPS tracker. A GPS tracker can help you keep track of your car's location and monitor its movements. 5. Tire pressure monitor. A tire pressure monitor can alert you when your tire pressure is low, which can improve fuel efficiency and reduce the risk of a blowout. 6. USB car charger. A USB car charger lets you charge your phone or other devices while you're driving. 7. Head-up display, HUD. A HUD projects information onto your car's windshield, such as speed, navigation, and alerts, so you can keep your eyes on the road. 8. Car vacuum cleaner. A portable car vacuum cleaner can help you keep the interior of your car clean and free from dirt and debris. 9. Blind spot mirror. A blind spot mirror can help you see cars in your blind spot and reduce the risk of a collision. 10. Seat organizer. A seat organizer can help keep your car's interior organized and clutter-free by providing storage for items like snacks, drinks, and electronics. Thank you for staying with us till the very end. Hope you enjoyed the video. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more car-related contents. Bye.